AI-generated websites are the most vulnerable websites on the internet. Even though people create them in minutes and sell them to businesses for thousands of dollars, hackers can take down those websites in seconds. But I'm going to show you how to make your vibe-coded website bulletproof with just one command. If you are a vibe coder, this video is for you. Most vibe coders think a website is simply a combination of front-end and back-end, but that's just the surface level. Traditional web development had several security layers hidden behind the front end, and each one required a professional to build properly. With new AI tools, people started building professional-looking websites that beat professional-level UI designers. But the blind spot they never saw was that those websites' security is almost trash. They can be attacked in seconds. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to secure your vibe-coded website with just one command. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch the video till the end. So let's get into the video. Let's begin. I just paste this prompt here to create a landing page for my own YouTube channel and hit enter. So after some time, Codex built my landing page. And I am telling it to publish the landing page using Cloudflare now. So here we have our landing page. As you saw from the beginning, this page is entirely vibe-coded. These days, people sell these kind of vibe-coded websites to businesses. But let me tell you something. After creating a website like this, there are a ton of vulnerabilities there. Let's see how many of them Codex itself can detect and fix. So I simply paste this prompt, which tells Codex to give me a vulnerability report and then fix those vulnerabilities. After some time, you can see it found some vulnerabilities and applied the fixes. But the real question is, did it find all of them? And did it apply the correct fixes? What if it didn't? If I create the same website using a website security expertise agent, this website will look like trash. Because in most cases, website security expertise agents cannot create a premium-looking front-end. The agents who are expertise creating cinematic websites suck at applying proper security guardrails to them. That's the problem. And the most important part, you need to know if you are a vibe coder who sells websites to businesses. Because if someone takes down the website you just sold to a business, your entire brand will be gone and damaged. That's the blind spot nobody sees. Good front-end means a trash back-end security. Good back-end security means a trash front-end. So the real question is, how can we teach one of those AI agents to do the other part at an exceptional level with just one command? In my case, how can I make Codex strengthen the back-end security of my landing page just like a security professional? It will only take 1 minute, trust me. To do that, we use this powerful tool called Evomap. With this tool, Codex can expand its brain power to be a security professional while designing the front end at the same time. Watch me cook. So I head over to the Evomap website, copy the simple prompt on their first page, and paste it into Codex to register the Codex agent on Evomap. Codex asked if I have registered on Evomap before, and I simply type no and hit enter. Then it asks to save the registered details inside the machine. I simply type yes and hit enter. After some time, it registers on Evomap and gives you a claim URL. I click on this link and click on Confirm Claim. Then I copy this prompt and paste it to my agent to confirm everything works fine. Now here's the magic prompt we use to secure our vibe-coded website. This is the one command I mentioned in the video title. It says, fetch the relevant capsules and genes from Evomap concerning website security hardening. Apply any of those security steps that were missed during the previous vulnerability fixing phase. Finally, provide a clear list of the security steps you found in the Evomap capsules that you had initially missed. Using this prompt, I tell my agent to access Evomap's shared knowledge on website security and apply those security steps into my website to make my landing page unexploitable. It's like Codex using other powerful AI agents' brain to make this website bulletproof. I added a line to show us what it applied from Evomap. that it initially missed in its own security strengthening process, so we can clearly see what it just applied new. Here you can see the agent just applied 6 additional and critical security steps that it missed. Now let me quickly explain how Evomap actually works under the hood, because this is the interesting part. On Evomap, knowledge is stored in 2 layers. The first layer is called a gene. A gene is basically a single discovered solution, one specific fix, one specific method, one specific technique that an AI agent figured out. As an example, let's say a cybersecurity AI agent discovered that a vibe-coded website misses security headers. That is one vulnerability. So it discovers the vulnerability, exploits it, then creates the security guardrail methods to make sure it never happens again. Since it is only focused on one specific vulnerability and it's fixed at a time, it is stored as a gene. The second layer is called a capsule. A capsule is a collection of genes packaged together into a ready-to-use solution. So instead of one fix, it's a collection of fixes for several problems. So the entire website security hardening process, all those individual fixes combined, that is a capsule. Someone's AI agent cracked into websites like ours, discovered multiple security weaknesses one by one. Each one became a gene. Then all those genes were bundled into one capsule and uploaded to Evomap. Our Codex agent accessed that capsule in seconds and absorbed all of that knowledge instantly. That's the difference between a gene and a capsule. Gene is one skill. Capsule is the full broad solution. It spotted those security weaknesses because a smarter AI agent who is specialized in website security had already cracked these kind of sites, created security strengthening methods to avoid them, and shared that knowledge in Evomap as a capsule. So our agent instantly accessed that knowledge to make our website bulletproof. Evomap is like a shared brain for your coding agent. That means even if you use an AI agent to build a website who has zero security knowledge, he can simply access Evomap and use capsules posted by smarter security agents to strengthen the website security. Doesn't matter which AI you use, Codex, Claude, Cursor, any agent. One command and it joins the same network. If you head over to the Evomap marketplace and search any keyword, you can see the shared knowledge by AI agents on that topic. And it's not only dedicated for security, it's for literally everything in AI. Think of it like this. You find a new vulnerability that has existed for years on the majority of websites, you find the fix, and you post that fix as a capsule. Every agent registered on Evomap now has that knowledge. In this platform, which we can consider as the common brain of AI agents, you need credits to access that shared knowledge. To use capsules, you spend credits. But if you publish a capsule and another AI agent uses it, you get credits back. Think of it like this. Just like how humans trade skills and knowledge with each other, your AI agent needs to access shared knowledge. It spends credits. It publishes a fix for a vulnerability. Other agents use it to strengthen their websites. Your credits grow. The smarter your agent gets, the more it contributes. The more it contributes, the more it can access. This is how the whole ecosystem stays alive. Evomap also has its own API. So if you're a developer, you can build your own tools directly on top of Evomap using your earned credits, instead of just using it through chat prompts like we did today. For example, if you're planning to build your own AI website building platform, you can connect it to the Evomap API so it automatically has access to this same security knowledge without needing a human to paste prompts at all. So in the whole project I worked here, Codex just found the vulnerabilities of the website on its own, and also with the help of Evomap's shared brain. So when combined, a new set of knowledge is here, because it's a combination of Evomap's fixes and our agent's own fixes. So I am going to share this upgraded knowledge to Evomap so another AI agent can use it. I'm uploading this as a capsule right now. Watch. So I paste this prompt and hit enter. You can see our capsule is now live on Evomap. Next.js CMS security hardening on Cloudflare. Published and registered on the network. Any AI agent can now access this knowledge and apply it to their own project. If that AI agent finds more vulnerabilities on its own, he can improve this knowledge, adding his own upgrades into this and upload it again as a capsule. That means in this AI agent's common brain, everything moves forward, improving things day by day, just like humans. One agent learns something, he uploads it to Evomap. Every AI agent has access to that knowledge. Another agent builds something new using that knowledge and its own skills, uploads to Evomap. Like that, this cycle repeats. This is the future. It's already here. Link in the description. Free to start. One command. So now you have the full toolkit to build a complete vibe-coded website with exceptional level security in it. Don't forget to follow this crucial step, because one security mistake will cost you forever if you sell websites like this. Make sure to subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. We will meet again soon. Goodbye for now.